I'm hungry. All right, we're back with another dessert. The only problem I'm having with this dessert is that I created it and I don't know what to call it. If you guys can give me a name of what to call this dessert, just put it in the comments section and I'll pick the best one and I'll rename the video after that name. Okay, so hopefully you'll like it. It's my own creation. I just don't know what to call it. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some granolas in here. So I'm just using the Harvest Crunch granola cereal, just the easiest way to do it. And then we're just gonna grab some almond milk. I'm just using the unsweetened, but it really doesn't matter. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. And we're just gonna make sure. Okay, we put a little bit more. Should be good. Now what I've done is I've melted some dark chocolate and white chocolate. So I just basically use these and I melted them in the microwave. So they're ready to go. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna pour this in there. And we're gonna mix it in. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put it in the freezer really fast. All right, so I just took it out of the freezer. It's only been about 5 minutes. It's already set up. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take some of the ice cream. So first we're gonna start with the chocolate. Put it in here, and vanilla. You can use any ice cream you want, but those are the ones I like. All right, so what I ended up doing is putting in the ice cream on top of the granola, and I put it in the freezer for another 5 minutes. So this way it's all ready to go. So now I melted more of the chocolate, and we're just gonna put it on top of here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just spread it around. So it's a mixture of the white chocolate and dark chocolate, but the dark chocolate overpowers it. Now, usually I put more. What I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna put some almonds on the top. And a little bit of honey. And we're gonna put it in the fridge for another 5 minutes. All right, we're back. It was in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes. I left it there for a bit. And again, just remember, whoever can come up with a name for this dessert and gets the most votes in the comment section, I will rename it as per that name. And yeah, I'll make the video named after it. All right, so let's get into this. All right. It's gonna be kind of messy. So I'm hoping, let's just see here. This big piece is gonna be all right. It looks messy, but it's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this now. And again, go ahead and name this, and the one that has the most votes, I will rename the video after it. All right.